Hi, welcome back to another episode of Winter Works. Let's kick things off with the Grand National.
So at the minute we're working on the station brakes on the south side of the station in the low position where the guests get onto the ride here on the Grand National. At the minute we've got a brake in bits. The brakes operate with two airbags inside them. Once we've replaced the airbags, we'll put the brake back together, set it to the correct gauge of the track so that the brake fin enters the brake at the right position, and then we'll test the brake and make sure it's working correctly.
The brakes on the Grand National. Let's go and see the brakes on Infusion.
I'm stripping down the Infusion brakes, well, the brake liners from the brake shoe, so we can send them away to get blasted and then get repainted. So these, now I've taken it off the brake shoe, this is what a worn down brake liner looks like. As you can see here, the brake liner is worn down to the rivet, which means it's an indication of when it should be changed. So we're going to take these off later on, and this will get sent out for blasting. On the inside of the brakes, we have a airbag, which this operates the brakes. When the air goes in, it pushes against the spring, it pushes the springs open here, pushing the brakes closed, and when the air leaves, the airbag deflates and it goes back out.
There's so much more behind the scenes than just the roller coasters, so let's go over to the retail team and see what they're up to.
Hiya, I'm Stephen, this is the PB store. Look at all our fabulous merchandise around here, all ready for the weekend. I'm going to give you a sneaky peek of some of our new merch if you follow me this way. Some absolutely beautiful candy stripe featured stuff here. Come and see what you think.
Hi, my name's Daniel, I work in the Nick shop and this is where you'll find all your favourite characters.
So that finally concludes another episode. And just a reminder, the shop opens on Saturday. Stay tuned!